Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngotando nesithembu.
And I don't care who says what. I don't care who says what. If voice note iphumi. Macala uyirile voice note wethu. Hanya njalo umacala uyisendile voice note. Wayisendela labantu laba because she knew what was happening on that day. Ugo was on par. And I think ukuthi uMseleku respected uMakhumalo so much because uMakhumalo never had a problem with number 5. Until I think because number 5 ubuya same kasi whatever ne. Or maybe she has done her investigation whereas ukuthi ngathi ugela uspate or something, I don't know. But Macele voice note awangonyana we romance. I was like, girl, you are the culprit. I don't care who says what. Guys, on this one, you can never convince me otherwise. She sent that voice note. Finish.